amigos, happy to be back sharing more technical analysis and much more. Hope you are enjoying your weekend wherever you are. I highly recommend to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, select the bell to get notified as soon as I upload a new video. Today I'm going to share information about possible Bitcoin price manipulation from the big whales and large financial institutions. Why Bitcoin dropped 30% in the last few days, what to expect in the near future and long-term investment in Bitcoin. Amigos, if this video reach 500 likes, I will upload a new video with more important information that will help you to make the right move while you trade or hold Bitcoin. If you have any other preference, please leave a comment down below what asset you want me to take a look. The one get more requests, I will please you. With all that being said, let's dive in. Okay amigos, I'm going to start to give you some peace of mind. Why peace of mind? I'm just gonna show you the drops that in 2016, before Bitcoin reached the all-time highs right up here close to $20,000, how Bitcoin performed in the downtrend. If you notice, in January 2017, which is pretty much around these days, Bitcoin dropped 35%. The following drop of 35% was around March. The following was around June, 38%. The next one, 38% drop, was around September. And prior, the all-time highs was around November with 29%. So having this information and this acknowledged, I really hope that you guys now feel a little bit better, because Bitcoin is going to do pretty much something similar like this in this coming year before reach the all-time highs, which already exceed one, which it was 20,000. Well, the first one was $13,000 when it happened in 2019. Exceed that price around November the last year, and since then Bitcoin is moving to the uptrend, reaching $42,000, and now it's having at the first 31% drop. Let's take a look right here to make a little bit more clear. Right after Bitcoin start to move to the uptrend was right after, actually, when the pandemic started. Bitcoin start, obviously, like everybody knows, drop the price up to here, almost $4,000, and start to recover to the uptrend. And the first drop, it was around this area for 16%. The following was 20% from here over here, and the following drop was 17% right up here from this area to this level, and we have a 9% drop right here. And before the last one was 20% drop, and the last one, like you already know, it was in the last few days. So right here, so far we have a 31% drop, and I'm gonna show you right here from the all-time highs to up here is around 30%, 0.88%. Let's round numbers, that's why I put it 31% right there, guys. So now, since we have a big rally from around, it was around November, right up here when the Bitcoin started to move all the way to the uptrend and reach 42,000. The price was exceeding and breaking all levels so fast. By the time Bitcoin reached 42,000, guys, I was expecting a drop of 30% drop, and that's why I was keeping an eye on the price action. And actually the price was making this trend line to the downtrend and this trend line to the uptrend, forming a symmetrical triangle where we can figure out in the near future if the price is going to the uptrend or the downtrend. Just to give you a quick explanation why we expect a price to go down or going to the uptrend while this symmetrical triangle was forming. This percentage of drop was taken from this area, guys. When a symmetrical triangle forms, we can take an average or price to the uptrend or the downtrend. And right here, that's why I put this line to check what could be the price to the downtrend or to the uptrend, just to give you and make it a little bit clear for all of you guys. It's right there. So let me take back this right up here, and that is the reason I was expecting a drop of 30%, and actually I am still expecting probably 40%, but we'll see what happened. And actually I'm gonna explain it to you guys. Let's take a look real quick. 1 week chart. Like I said before, guys, around this area I was telling the people that are involved in this business that the price in Bitcoin was overextended. And it was overextended for me because by the time the price it's going out the Bollinger Band levels, I normally consider that the price is overextended. And I'm going to show you how overextended, in my point of view. You guys can agree with me or not, but it's okay. The overextension in price from the all-time highs to this level, this trend line, it was 25%. So that's why I was saying that the price, it was overextended, and I was expecting to drop 30%. So actually it's exactly what happened. The reason is because the explanation I already told you. That is one of the reasons that the Bitcoin dropped 30%. The second one, well, actually you can put many reasons, but I'm gonna give you a couple only. Another reason, it's because let's take a look what happened in these particular areas. And this candle, which it was, let's take a look one day. In the 21, which it was 2 days ago, I'm gonna show you what happened that day. MicroStrategy has purchased approximately 314 Bitcoins for 10 millions in cash in accordance with its Treasury Reserve policy at an average price of approximately 31,808 per Bitcoin. We now hold approximately 7,784 Bitcoins. Okay, this was announced in January 22nd. Let's go back and take a look what happened day before, or maybe in the 22nd. Let me move this line right here to make it more clear. The 21 Bitcoin drop and the lower levels, $30,000. The 21st, the 22nd, when they MicroStrategy announced the purchase of 10 millions. The 22nd, the lower price was $28,800. Guys, do you see any connection why Bitcoin drop to these levels? Of course, because big companies, they don't want to buy a higher price. They don't want to buy at $42,000. They wait for a price drop, the 30% that is normally in the financial market, to continue to the uptrend. So that is exactly that this company was waiting for, to buy more Bitcoin. But when I said manipulation in price and Bitcoin, it's because these people, all these people, all these companies, they are probably in touch to make some moves and take profit, because that is exactly what happened right here in this particular week when the price hit 42,000. Obviously everyone knew that the price was overextended, so they were ready to take profit if they bought around $20,000, around when hit $20,000 or even lower price. Obviously they have double the profit. Let's take a look. $20,000, whoever bought at $20,000, they double it profit. So it's normal, you will do the same thing, right? Take a profit and buy lower. So that is exactly what happened right here. People were taking profit and people still taking profit. That's why, look, this candle, the volatility on price that happened that particular week, and still and happened the following week also, and continuing this week, touching 28,600, around 20, let's round numbers, $28,700 up to 37,600. So because people start to take profit right here, we'll see what Bitcoin have in store in the next couple of weeks. Like I said before, guys, this is the Bitcoin treasuries. This is all the companies that own Bitcoins. Let's take a look. MicroStrategy Inc. that holds 7,784 Bitcoins so far from the balance sheets that they have. Another one that you probably be familiar is Square. Square owns Cash App. I believe some of you already have Cash App. This company owns Cash App and have only 4,708 Bitcoins. Right here you can see all the companies. This is a public companies. We have private and we have ETF. ETF are in the stock market, which one of the ones that I recommend to take a look is this one, Grayscale Bitcoin, that holds so far 616,558 Bitcoins so far in their balance sheet. Now I'm gonna show you guys a projection that I have for Bitcoin for this year. Bitcoin reaching by reaching $53,000, Bitcoin will reach 1 trillion market cap. Reaching this level, 53,000. So by the end of the year, actually, I put it right here, over by January 2022, could reach over, or at least $320,000. This is my projection. Like I said before, you can be agree with me, you cannot. You can make your own research and find out if this is possible. But so far, I'm gonna show you how Bitcoin is moving with my graph that I add over here. I'm gonna put a little bit light and see if you see this level right here, 30, let's see, 27, the lower, 20, almost 20, yeah, 20, let's see, 28, 300, just around, right here, right here. Hopefully you can see it. I'm gonna make it clear. The price, it's right there, guys. So based on the okay, guys, right up here, let's to make it a little bit more clear, 28 240. Let me remove the, well, not remove exactly, I just want to show you. We're going to put it clear, the color, to make you see where it is. The price is around this area, right? This area, 29. Right now it's in 31, but what I was trying to explain is the levels that my graph can reach. So right here, it's right there. So that is my prediction that could happen in 2021. So, by the way, guys, if you're still here, please smash the like button. You can share this video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscribed yet. And not just smashing the like button, you're gonna help the channel to be promoted more often in YouTube, and you are going to support my work right up here. And also you're gonna support and you're gonna help a lot of people to get this information that is very, very valuable to be in the right side of the investment. And another graph that I want to share, guys, is this one. This is a projection. This is a projection that Bitcoin have based on previous year. If you notice, let's take a look. Right now, obviously, is the 23rd. And the 23rd, we are in 31,900, almost 32. But let's take a look the following days. This is a forecast. Let's take a look. In the bottom, you see the date. Right up here, okay, guys? Take a look in the bottom and take a look the green box. The green box is showing you the price. Let's take a look. Today is the 23rd, and let's take a look the 25th. The 25th, the price, let's see, 29, 27, 20. Okay, the 25th price will be around $34,902.76. This is a projection. Can happen, cannot happen. But by the 27, sorry, I moved right here, 25, 34,902. That is for the 25th. That is a probability. The 27 or 20, let's do 29, will be $31,319. This is just a projection, guys, but based on the information that I already shared with you, this is a projection for Bitcoin. And look at this. I mean, if you are not fully invest in Bitcoin, I really recommend. This is not a financial advice, guys. I mean, you can do whatever you want, but this is not a financial advice. But look in this graph. Believe me, I will hold my Bitcoin all the way. So you can invest in whatever you like, but this is a projection for Bitcoin, and this is changing every 15 minutes. So this is very, very interesting. So if you're still here, guys, please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and I really hope this information was very, very useful for you guys. And I wish you a very good weekend, and I see you in the next video.